WordPress plugins are amazing, but if you install a lot of plugins on your site, it can slow down. So basically, you should install only what you need. But imagine the following scenario. You did install a big plugin like, for example, Ultimate Elementor Addons, and you just need one feature of this plugin and not all the features. How to deactivate the features that you are not using to speed up your site, to reduce the amount of code that page needs to load, okay? How to do this? This is what I'm going to learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access on the browser address bar your domain plus WP admin. Enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, click on add new. I'm gonna be installing the Ultimate Addons for you. To the upper right corner, search plugins, type Ultimate Addons for Elementor. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus once again, next to appearance you're gonna be able to find the Ultimate Addons Elementor menu. Hover mouse over it and click on dashboard submenu. This is the plugin welcome page. Now you're gonna be able to find the plugin, headers and footers, widget settings, and pro versus free. Click on widgets. Now you're gonna be able to see all the widgets that you can have into the free plugin. And imagine that you don't need the page title, the retina logo, the site tagline, the site title, the post info, the breadcrumbs, the scroll to top, the cart, the copyright, the reading progress, the navigation. You only need, for example, the search. So deactivate all of the features that you don't need. Wait a moment so the plugin can save it for you, and you are good to go, okay? Now you only gonna be able to use what you need, and this is what makes your site faster, having only what you need. Simple, right? And it is. Do the same process to every plugin you have to make your site faster, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!